Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? Have you ever wondered if cracking your knuckles can lead to arthritis? Let's dive into this age-old question. For years, people believed that the popping sound meant damage, but science tells a different story. When you crack your knuckles, you're actually releasing gas bubbles from the synovial fluid that lubricates your joints. Multiple studies have shown no correlation between knuckle cracking and arthritis development in the long run. Can I crack my knuckles freely? So there's no risk of arthritis? No. Go ahead and crack away. But remember, if you experience pain or discomfort, it's always best to consult a doctor.